The Container FX Jitter Alpha allows us to alpha on and off, and furthermore created an alpha animation with a series of containers. So here you can see we have a scene set up with a series of containers. We have them numbered here as subcontainers of our main container, and you just drag the Jitter FX Alpha onto your topmost container and you go into the Container FX Jitter Alpha properties editor here, and you have a progress percentage. As you adjust this up, you're going to start to notice the jittering of the alpha. So as we take it up to 100% or beyond, you can see what's happening here to the transparency of some of these containers. So within our properties editor here, we have a direction here that we can start or send it to end, random, static, wave, to center, whichever direction you need it. There is the interpolate setting, again, linear and soft. This interpolates the keyframes and the ease in and the ease out with it on soft. The effect range, you can adjust this as well. This is adjusts what's happening between each bar or each container. And then you have your container order here down here. And then you have your container order down here again, tree, horizontal, vertical. With the vertical and the horizontal selection, you have your direction left and right that you can choose as well. The big settings down here being this is that the Jitter Alpha is that you have an alpha minimum percentage. If you don't want it to go all the way down to 0, you can adjust this up somewhat. And then you have an alpha max. If you don't want it to go up to 100%, you can put it wherever you need to. There's also a randomness here. Taking it down to 0, you can see no longer has any randomness, but then if you increase it, you add some randomness to it there as well. So if you need anything to jitter on or off or remain jittering, it doesn't just need to be on a scene like this, but it could work on just about anything as long as you have your scene tree set up properly.